Digistore24 affiliate marketing tutorial, how to sell the best products. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on digistore24.com. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to digistore24.com and you will land on this platform right here. Digistore24 is an online sales platform that offers you an integrated online store and an affiliate network. You can simply go ahead and work as an affiliate or maybe as a product seller on Digistore24, and you will be able to earn maximum commission. It's one of the world's leading platform and is very easy to use as well. So what you have to do is the first step is going to be signing up or registering for Digistore24. To register, you will find the option right here which says register now. It will take you to your form right here. Now, to sign up, you actually have to select if you want to sign up as a vendor and affiliate or just as an affiliate where you will be promoting the products, or you can sign up just as a vendor and sell the products. Today, I'm giving you a tutorial how to sell the best products, so we can go with vendor. I actually work as a vendor as an affiliate. This will actually help you make money from both sides. And you can not only sell the products on Digistore, but you will also be able to promote the products and earn a commission from other products, right? So this one is perfect. This is going to be the form for vendor and affiliate. This is the most important step. You have to add your username. Now, you can see with your username, an affiliate link will be created. This is for affiliates. Then you have to enter your email address, repeat email, add password, repeat password, select a time zone. All of the time zones are available. You will select yours. Then you have to select the title, Mr. or Miss from here, your gender. If you like an extra title, you can simply go ahead and add it right here. Then you will add your personal information such as your name, last name, company, address, zip code, country, phone, Skype name, and Telegram. And after that, simply click on I have read B2B contract and privacy policy. Once you're done, simply click on register for free now. And you will be able to register for Digistore24. So let me quickly sign in to my Digistore so that I can show you the dashboard. Once you sign up to Digistore24, this is where you will get. I have actually opened up the marketplace so that I can show you that what kind of products we can create on Digistore24 and how we simply add all of the information in order to sell the products. So in marketplace, you can see right here, all of the niches are given. We have digital products, animals and pets. We have business and investment, dance and music, computer and internet, email marketing, education, fashion, fitness and health. Then we have hobby, home and gardens, languages, social media, software, sports, and trading products. There are two more options available now as well that are event and seminars and physical products. So if you want to sell physical products, you can go to this option right here. I will just show you in a minute. So when it comes to selling a product on Digistore24, the first step is going to be selecting the niche. And you can see right here, all of the niches are given, but you need to keep in mind that you have to go for a niche that is actually trending. There are different niches that actually do well than others, such as business and investment, education, fitness and health, green products, personal development, services, and software. So you need to create a product in these niches. Once you have added the product, you know what kind of product you're going to add, you will be able to add your sales page. You will be able to add the commissions, the earnings, the details such as price average, commission, vendor name. Then you simply add your cancellation rate, billing types, and more. So these are some examples for you so that you can check out how products are created on Digistore24. Now, you can see all of these products have actually added their sales page as well. So when it comes to selling product on any of the affiliate platforms, not just Digistore24, you have to create a sales page. For example, I can go to the sales page of this product from here. And you can see it will open up their sales page. You have to create a sales page as well. If you have a sales page, then it will actually help you sell your product. So we're actually talking about how to actually get the best products on Digistore24, how to find the best products to sell. Now, another thing that you can do is, in order to get more search and get more insights into what products are actually popular, you can go to this filter search which says sort by, and you can sort by popularity. Once you do that, then you will be able to see the top ranked products right here. And you can see, as I told you, health and fitness is one of the very popular niche. You can see the top products are actually health related. Just an overview for you guys. So you can see this is actually a very popular product right now. Then we have this one, and this one. And you can also check their commission rates right here, which is between 65 to 75%. You will simply add the information, and you can also check their price rate in order to see that what kind of commission the vendor is earning and what is their price rate, so that you can also get the best products and create the best product in order to sell. Now, if we talk about the affiliate's point of view, right? So let's say that you are an affiliate. You will, of course, go for most popular products, and you will check the commissions right here. You will check the details, and you will go for a product that is actually very easy to promote. So this is good for you. If you're working as an affiliate, you can actually search for different products, and you click on promote now. Once we click on promote now, then we simply get our own affiliate link, and we can promote our products on any of the different platforms in order to sell the products. That's how you do it as an affiliate. But as a vendor, you will have to create a product and then wait for affiliates to simply ask for your permission to promote your product. Now, what you can do in order to get the best products and get more sales, you need to promote your product as well. Affiliates are going to do that, but you will actually have to promote your product to affiliates so that they can actually promote your product more. So make sure that your product has the right imaging and description, and it will stand out to all of the different affiliates, and they will simply sell your product, promote your product, and you will be able to make profit. If you want to go for a physical product, you can simply select physical products, and in physical products right now, there are only skincare and supplements. Both of these are actually doing pretty good because there are only 2 products right here, and you can also go for skincare. So if you want to go for a physical product, then you can go for these. You can see the commission is going to be from 30 to 60%. Once you know how to create the product, what are the best product right here on Digistore24, then you will be able to sell your products very easily. With Digistore24, you get conversions optimized and customizable shopping carts. You can also get recurring profits, you get access to all the payments, and one-click upsells to multiple revenue. And this way, you simply become a very successful vendor or an affiliate on Digistore24. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to sell and find the best products on Digistore24. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.